National University. And now, some Nextland chameleons in the PVL, we have Ivy Lacsina and maybe the one who convinced her, Camille Cal, to come over. We don't know. Maybe. Let's see. We'll dig in. We'll poke and we'll find out. Welcome.
Thank you po.
Ganda na uniform, Ivy. Bagay. Bagay.
All right.
Sila.
Ivy, before we start,
yes,
because we have talked to all of the F2 alum about that critical moment nung na-disband ng F2 and of course the decision-making right after that. Unang-una, how did you react? How did you feel during that meeting in particular when the management sat everyone down and said that, okay, F2 will not be moving forward?
Siyempre, nung una po, super, talaga, nasad kami. Pero that day po kasi parang hindi po namin inisip na madidisband na kami. So parang siyempre sabi ko, hala, totoo na ba to? Parang hindi namin matanggap, ganyan. So parang that day po, parang nag-iyakan lang po kami, ganun. And hindi ko po tinignan si Ate Abby.
Talaga?
Kasi si Ate Abby po, super, niya po sa akin, parang nanay ko siya, parang super ate ko po talaga siya. Kaya parang nung day na yun, hindi po ako tumingin sa kanya kasi ayoko pong umiyak muna.
Right.
Pero nung pagtingin niya po sa akin, yun, biglang, Ate Abby, na, ganun.
Bumigay na.
Kaya biglang iyakan na po kami. So parang ako, sabi ko, naglo-look forward na ako, na akala ko dito na ako magre-retire eh. Biglang, wala na, ganun.
Well,
don't worry, we will get your reaction
absolutely.
later.
But before that, anong sabi ni Ate Abby sa'yo?
Sabi niya po sa akin na, Biang, andito lang ako, gaguide pa din kita kahit nasa ang team ka, ganyan, and one call away lang ako palagi para sa'yo.
Alam mo, hindi kami nagugulat doon sa kwento na yan. Kasi, yun nga, nung nag-guest sila dito ni Ara, very emotional si Abby dito about her recollection sa F2. Obviously, excited din siya moving on. And I'm sure proud siya sa inyo lahat. Ano yung sinabi mo sa speech mo? Kasi isa-isa sila, di ba, kayo nag-speech during that meeting, yun na sinabi nila, what